website that you've been working fantastically hard. It's lovely that you've been keeping us updated with what you've been doing at home. We've received some lovely emails, some lovely pictures, and your work on Purple Mash has also been equally as fantastic. So we have some more certificates to give out this week for those children who've been working exceptionally hard. So let's see how we're getting on. I'm going to start today with Class 5 first. So our first award this week is the Teacher's Special Award, and this is for a detailed argument in guided reading, and this is for you, Oscar, so very well done to you. Our second award for Class 5 is the Home Learning Award, and this goes to Lewis this week for finishing lots of work and sharing his work as well. So thank you very much for that, Lewis, it's lovely to hear. And the final award this week in Class 5, this is the Star of the Week award, and this is to Ollie B for his dedication to his maths work. I've seen some of the maths work you've been doing, Ollie, and it's really impressive, so keep that up, well done. Okay, moving on to Class 4, the Home Learning Award this week goes to William. Well done, William, and this is for a great 3D game on Purple Mash. I've seen some of your work, William, before on Purple Mash, and you are getting very good at programming. Excellent. The Star of the Week award from Mrs. Turner goes to Isaac, and that's for resilience and perseverance in his work. It's really pleasing to read, Isaac. Very well done. And the Teacher's Special Award this week goes to Christopher for completing some great diary writing. Well done, Christopher. So, Class 3, let's have a look how you've been doing. So, the Teacher's Special Award this week from Miss Howell goes to Zach for a well-researched river fact file. Well done, Zach. We have the Home Learning Award, and that is going out to Flora for excellent effort in her home learning. Well done, Flora. And the Star of the Week is presented to Bailey for resilience and positivity this week. Excellent, Bailey, well done. So, moving on to Class 2, we have the Teacher's Special Award, and this goes to Austin for producing the best piece of work this week. So, thank you very much for that, Austin. Well done. We have the Home Learning Award, and this week it's going to Theo for completing some fantastic work. Well done, Theo. That's great news. And the Star of the Week award, that's going to Jack for completing some excellent work all week. So well done, Jack. That's really positive news. Finally, let's have a look at Class 1. So the Teacher's Special Award this week, so from Miss Latham, this is for Eva for working on the tricky words. You've been working hard on those at home, so well done, Eva. The Star of the Week award goes to Kia for some great pine cone artwork. I've seen the pictures of that, that's excellent. Well done, Kia. And the Home Learning Award this week goes to Amelia for some excellent data collection work. Well done, Amelia. So, for everyone who's been working hard at home this week, thank you very much. As ever, I would just like to say a huge thank you to the children for their continued hard work over the last 2 weeks. Thank you very much to the parents who've been supporting the home learning, and thank you to the teachers who've been updating the class pages. I'd just like to take this opportunity on behalf of the staff and the governors and myself to wish you a happy Easter, and we'll continue to update the class pages after the Easter holiday. If you do need to get in touch with us, you can use the class email addresses to contact the class teacher. And you can also use the school email address, which is a2038@taw.org.uk. Thank you.